This is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this is an overview of Gemini and how you can use it to now create Google Slides. So I am at gemini.google.com on my school account. I'm going to go here, Tools, Canvas. I'm going to keep it on Pro, which may take a little longer, but that's okay. And now I'm going to be very specific with my prompt. Create a presentation that is 10 slides and 30 font about moon phases that I can use in a 5th grade classroom to teach students. Okay, and now we wait. It does take a little bit of time, so give yourself a couple minutes. Okay, so that took about 2 to 5 minutes to create those slides, and when you go to do this, it will tell you all the steps it's going through to create your slides. And now this is what I have. So it's not in Slides yet, Google Slides. Right now it's asking me if I want to make any changes, so I'm going to preview it. Now, very important, if you X out of this tab, you do lose this work, so just be mindful of that. So I really like how, you know, it gives some information. I did say 30 font, so you can see it did 30 font for the titles, not necessarily for the text, but we can see here, very important to review the information because, as we know, artificial intelligence, generative AI isn't always correct or accurate, so we do want to look at that. But we have this in here. I really love the images that Google pulls, Gemini pulls over other slide generators. I find that their images are more accurate. And so this looks good so far. Now I might want the 8 phases laid out, so I'm going to, a month, that's cute. I might say, please also include a slide with the 8 phases in a row in a line with images. And let's see, it's going to take a little bit of time. I may pause while it generates that. Probably takes about a minute or two. Okay, that probably took another minute, and you'll notice it told me the steps it went through over here on the chat when I asked it. It is saying slow thinking, and it did go through some of the coding behind it, and you'll notice it's actually couldn't really do that step. So not perfect. There's not 8 there, as you can see. And then it showed me where the image sources are from, so I do like that it cited where it got everything. So not a perfect system. It's pretty nice when it goes to the first example, and then the corrections aren't exactly perfect, but a nice starting point. And then if you like it, you can export it to Slides, and if you're not going to use it, you can just close. And there we go. So give that a try, see what it gives you. You might find that it helps create some slides you can use. Thanks.